Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So before proceeding to the intraday level analysis for 28th of June, that is on Monday, let us do the post market analysis as usual. So if you remember, I had marked this as a good support zone and a trend line, also the resistance at the top, and we had a strongest resistance at 35,000. So I had already analyzed that there would be a gap up opening, and if this level was broken initially 35,000, then we can see a resistance, so that market can come down to this particular level. So same principle, it would follow the same principle. When a resistance is broken, it would act as a support and we can see a uptrend or a bullish movement. The second thing was we need to go on the selling side only if the bank nifty crosses or trends below this particular support line. Okay, so let us see what I analyzed and what happened today. So we can clearly see the picture that bank nifty opened gap up, it broke the 35,000 level resistance, and it took the resistance from this particular zone back to this 35,000 level, and we saw a huge upward movement till 35,500. Okay, so this was related to the post market analysis. Let us see what is kept for intraday level and analysis for 28th of June, that is Monday. Okay, so before we go to what I have marked, let us see what are the support and resistance level. So at the moment the strongest support is at 35,000, stronger resistance is at 35,500, and strongest resistance is at 36,000. In between we have small support zone between 35,200 to 300. So where the market is closed just above 35,300, we can see two small resistance line. One is at 35,600 and another is at 35,800. So these two are the good resistance level as well, between 36,000 and 35,500. So this was regarding the support and resistance zone. Now you can see I have already marked this green trend line. Okay, so market is above this green trend line, so you should go for buying and above this green trend line, and on short sell only if it breaks down this particular support trend line. Next thing, I have shown a pattern called cup and handle. So basically cup and handle pattern is a bullish pattern. So we can see there could be a good breakout indicated by these two violet colored arrows. So I have marked this cup and handle pattern in two different forms. One you can see the smaller curved or, and the second is the channel pattern. So many writers have different views, so based on those views I have marked this. So you can get a breakout from this particular level as well, 35,300, when it breaks this particular channel. So from 35,300 to 500 we can see a 200 points good breakout in the upward direction or a good bullish movement. Or else if market opens gap up, then we can initially see the break out from 35,500 level. So when should you take the trade for the breakout at this particular level? So just do not enter into the trade as soon as this 35,500 level is broken, because you may face the resistance at this particular point. Let it cross at least 50 points and then trade. On the safer side, when this 35,500 level is broken and when it also breaks the level of 35,600, go for buying, so you can be on the safer side. But I see a small resistance from this particular level, 35,600, 700 and 800. So why these two levels are marked? Because if you look at the option chain data, these two levels are those levels where we can say the OI data is bit more higher. Okay, so just trade cautiously in this particular area. And you can see, as analyzed yesterday, Bank Nifty has opened gap up today as well. So this was regarding intraday level analysis for 28th of June. I hope you like my analysis. Hit the like button, share with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel to get the daily analysis. And most important is, just do not blindly follow anyone's analysis, even my or whatever I predict or whatever I show it to you. Please trade accordingly what you see and not what you think. So this was the most important, you can say, tag for the video. And all the best for Monday. Thank you.